Ia uite!
Poți să faci să vezi.
Dacă ar începe, ar fi. Da, hai.
Hai, asta, da. O, prea, du-te așa. Mui, bă! Mui, bă! Ți-i-o mui, bă?
Nu, bă, da, mă, te divios, mă rog, să dă în gură, hai.
Dar trebuie mai mult. Ia, uite! Amire! Treabă-le române, diplomul cel de mare, în care te-a dăchirat, barbarii de tiran, barbarii de tiran. 2, 3 și...
În Iordană botezându-te tu, Doamne, ne-ai milostivit pe toți.
Amin?
Nu, acum pe bune, dați-vă. Pinci acum pe bune,
Dați-vă, bă!
dați-vă, mă, în pulă.
Ia uite, Bobo, mai doare? La doare! Cu bani, mama ta, eu fac asta. Dă-i, la doare.
I remember Amy, she used to aim me, she stayed up late, she used to blame me, she said I'm too wild, she wanna tame me, I told her even Photoshop couldn't change me, but you got me open, girl, why lie? We ain't even trying to settle, so why try? In the night with a kiss and a bye-bye, no strings attached, your love is so wild.
Pain. I always thought that love could bring change, but I guess I was wrong. Now you got me here playing this song. You were never my girl from the start, but regardless, you will always have my heart.
You're more beautiful than anything in this world, more precious than the rarest diamond or pearl. And even though we didn't work out together, you're still my sunset. I know that you and I are two worlds apart, but you'll always be the one to have my heart. I'm gonna love you then, now and forever, 'cause you're my sunset, Your innocent smile used to drive me wild, even though you ain't innocent at all. And now I feel so stupid, 'cause I'm the only man that ever loved you, even with all your flaws. Even your best friend questioned why I still would be with you after knowing your past. But what she didn't understand is knowing your past is why I thought we could last. What happened to us? We had something special, what was I not good enough for you? Really love? Guess your mom was right.
to even say your name. Who would've thought I would've been in this game? Still waiting for the day you will understand. But sometimes things just don't happen. And you can call it what you want to, but this is based on the story that's so true. I remember the day that we first met. That day you became my sunset.
Someday we'll end up talking again. Maybe one day we'll go back to being just friends. Promise to love you, baby, till my